Hi there and welcome. If you're watching this video, chances are you or someone you love has been involved in a bus accident, or you're simply trying to understand your rights in case it ever happens. First of all, let me say, we're sorry you're going through this. We know how overwhelming, painful, and confusing this experience can be. At Lopez Law Group, we're here to help you make sense of it all. Today, we're going to talk about bus accidents in Texas, what they are, how they happen, who might be responsible, and most importantly, what you can do to protect yourself and your family. Let's get started. What counts as a bus accident? Bus accidents involve any crash or incident with a public or private bus, including school buses, city or metro buses, charter buses, long-distance carriers like Greyhound or Flixbus, and even church or tour buses. These accidents are more complex than typical car crashes because they often involve multiple parties, government agencies, and large companies. Common causes of bus accidents. Bus accidents happen for many reasons. Some of the most common include driver fatigue. Bus drivers often work long shifts without proper rest. Distracted driving, using a phone, eating, or talking while driving. Mechanical failure. Faulty brakes, worn tires, or poor maintenance. Reckless driving, speeding, unsafe turns, or ignoring traffic laws. Poor training, drivers who are not properly licensed or trained. Hazardous road conditions, like rain, debris, or bad signage. In many cases, it's not just the bus driver who's at fault. The bus company, maintenance provider, or even a city agency may be responsible, and we'll talk about that next. Who can be held responsible? That's one of the biggest questions after a bus crash, and the answer isn't always simple. Multiple parties may share liability, such as the bus driver for negligent behavior or breaking the law, the bus company for failing to maintain their vehicles or train staff, school districts or city governments in the case of public transit or school buses, bus manufacturers for faulty parts or defective designs, third-party drivers if another vehicle caused or contributed to the crash. At Lopez Law Group, we conduct thorough investigations to determine exactly who was responsible, and we fight to hold them accountable. What should you do after a bus accident? If you or a loved one has been involved in a bus accident, here's what we recommend. 1. Seek medical attention immediately, even if you feel fine. 2. Report the accident to police and request an official report. 3. Document everything. Take pictures, get witness names, save hospital bills. 4. Don't speak to insurance adjusters without legal advice. 5. Call an attorney who understands bus accident cases. Remember, bus companies and their insurers will act quickly to protect themselves. You need someone acting just as fast to protect you. What if you're a passenger? Great question. If you were riding on the bus and got hurt, you're considered a passenger victim, and you have rights. Unlike drivers, passengers are almost never considered at fault. That means you could be eligible for compensation, whether the bus driver or another vehicle caused the crash. You may be entitled to medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, emotional distress, long-term rehabilitation or therapy, and in severe cases, wrongful death compensation. Can I sue a city or school district? Yes, but it's more complicated. When a public agency owns or operates the bus, different rules apply. In Texas, this falls under the Texas Tort Claims Act, which limits when and how you can sue a government entity. There are strict deadlines, often as short as 6 months, so it's important to act quickly. Don't wait. Call an experienced lawyer right away. Why you need a bus accident. Lawyer. Bus accident claims are not the same as regular car accidents. You're dealing with big companies, powerful insurance providers, and sometimes even government lawyers. It's a lot to take on alone. At Lopez Law Group, we have years of experience handling these complex cases. We know how to investigate thoroughly, negotiate aggressively, prove liability, deal with multiple parties, fight for the full compensation you deserve. And the best part? You don't pay us unless we win. Real people, real results. We've helped countless families across South Texas who were injured in bus crashes, from school kids to elderly passengers. We treat every case like it matters, because it does. You're not just a number here, you're our neighbor. Let's talk. If you or someone you love has been injured in a bus accident, let's talk. You can call us, message us online, or stop by the office. We'll explain your options, answer your questions, and give you the peace of mind you deserve. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay informed, and remember, if you need help, we're here for you.